Welcome to the ultimate guide on free SEO tutorial for beginners in 2024. Learn how to rank number 1 on Google. SEO tutorial. Introduction to SEO. SEO, or search engine optimization, is the process of improving your website's visibility on search engines like Google. By optimizing your content and website structure, you can attract more organic traffic and rank higher in search results. Keywords and content optimization. The first step in SEO is keyword research. Identify the keywords your target audience is searching for and integrate them naturally into your content. Remember to create high-quality, valuable content that addresses the needs of your audience. On-page SEO. On-page SEO involves optimizing elements on your website itself. This includes optimizing title tags, meta descriptions, headers, and URLs. Make sure your website is user-friendly and mobile-responsive for better rankings. Off-page SEO. Off-page SEO focuses on building your website's authority and reputation through external factors like backlinks. Earn high-quality backlinks from reputable websites to improve your site's credibility in the eyes of search engines. Technical SEO. Technical SEO deals with the technical aspects of your website, such as site speed, crawlability, and indexing. Ensure your website loads quickly and is easily accessible to search engine crawlers. Local SEO. For businesses targeting local customers, local SEO is crucial. Optimize your website for local keywords, create a Google My Business profile, and encourage customer reviews to boost your local rankings. Measuring SEO success. Finally, it's essential to measure the success of your SEO efforts. Use tools like Google Analytics and Google Search Console to track your website's performance, monitor keywords rankings, and identify areas for improvement. Conclusion. Mastering SEO is key to achieving higher rankings and attracting more organic traffic to your website. By following the strategies outlined in this tutorial, you'll be well on your way to ranking number 1 on Google and growing your online presence.